Oh shit. Here we go again.
Kan may Carmela rin tayo? Kan mo ilan?
85.
Wait, sorry. You speak English? Small?
No, I'm speaking English.
Carmela rin tayo I'm sorry, I'm from Thailand. I can speak English small and understand English small. Carmela, 85.
5?
85?
85.
When may laro na melon, how much? Carmela,
50.
how much?
50.
Carmela,
Per
ano
kilo.
talaran?
Per kilo, 50.
50. Wow. Kung maaari na, ayo, Philippines? Kung na rin tayo, orange, how much? 25? Kung na, or no other fruits or like avocado, like that? What is a Philippines avocado? Permenle, permenle, permenle rin tayo, avocado, how much?
150 per kilo.
150. Permela, permela, okay. Meron ba permela rin tayo? Kanman? Kanmela rin tayo? Kanman? Kanman speak English. How much?
150.
150? 150? Bormina. Kaya Philippines avocado. Kanmela. Permela rin tayo. Sorry, I'm vlogger from Thailand. I'm recording because I'm documentary how much the fruits is this. Yeah, okay.
Lager
No,
no, siya from
yes.
Thailand.
Yeah, pero ba?
Thailand.
Pero vlogger Thailand. Pero pero yeah.
30.
How much? Pineapple.
60.
60 and then this. What's the name of this banana?
Tundan. Banana. Tundan.
Sonda.
4-5.
4-5. Okay. I came back and I buy avocado and sondan. Okay, Carmela. Carmela. What's your name?
Ani.
Annie. Okay. Thank you. Carmela. Ma'am, galing. Nag-prank, grabe ako mamay. Lama nag-request mo ba? Nag-prank, dahil nag-request na rin. Taga Thailand. Dili, nakasabot. Amo yun.
So weird.